Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use night data in Roman 6. We'll start by setting up your Roman 6 environment for optimal viewing. First, configure a dark color scheme like Molokai or Solarized Dark within your VimRC file to minimize eye strain during extended sessions. Additionally, ensure your terminal emulator is set to a dark background with contrasting font colors. This foundational step is crucial for comfortable and efficient data analysis, especially when working with large datasets in low-light conditions, making your experience much more pleasant and productive. Next, let's bring your night data into Roman 6. You can open files directly using the Roman 6 command followed by the file name. For instance, Roman 6 log file. Log. To enhance readability, enable syntax highlighting by adding syntax onto your VimRC file, which visually distinguishes different data elements. When dealing with files exceeding 100 megabytes, consider previewing them with less or tail first. This approach helps manage system resources and ensures a smoother editing experience, allowing you to focus on the critical information. Now, let's dive into analyzing your night data directly within Roman 6. Use the / followed by your search pattern, like /error, to quickly find specific entries. For more comprehensive analysis, global commands such as g/timestamp/p can extract and display all lines containing a particular timestamp, helping you identify trends across thousands of lines. For advanced tasks, consider integrating external tools like grep or specialized Roman 6 plugins. These methods empower you to efficiently sift through vast amounts of information, uncovering valuable insights. To conclude, adopting best practices and automation will significantly boost your efficiency. Always save your work frequently with W and integrate version control for robust data management. For repetitive tasks, create Roman 6 macros by recording keystrokes. For example, a macro could reformat 100 lines of data in seconds. Finally, continuously explore Roman 6's vast documentation and community forums. There are countless commands and plugins designed to streamline your workflow, helping you master night data analysis and become a more proficient Roman 6 user.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.